said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
Welcome to our video for fitting a Forge RS valve in black to a Mitsubishi Colt CZT. We're just going to do you a quick rundown on how to fit it and how to set it up. So here we go. So first up, I'm going to remove this vac hose off the original standard dump valve. Pair of pliers, bit of a tug. It's been on there a while, ain't it, Jason?
Yep.
Okay, so that's the vac hose off. And we've got a couple of Jubilee clips to undo. This car's about 13 years old, so over time these dump valves get a bit weak, lose a bit of pressure. They don't hold boost very well anymore on a standard valve. So what we're doing today is fitting the best valve you can get, which is still the Forge RS valve. We've been using it for a decade. There we go. That's the standard valve off. There she is. Okay, so making sure that the front of the valve is pointing towards the front of the car. Reversing that process, Jubilee clips back on. Final Jubilee back on. Bit of vac hose back on.
Cotton coating.
That's it, give that a nice push on. Pipe on. Right, so that's done back up, so now we'll show you how to set her up. Okay, so as you can see, we've actually moved the vac port. These are adjustable, you can move them on that turn to make it, like I say, easier to fit. So that's what we've done there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually adjust the valve to set up for a Mitsubishi Colt CZT. Now over the years, we've said time and time again that this part of the process is fettling so that your car likes it. It's personal preference, it's about throttle responsiveness, etc. But what I do is I set them to 32 notches. So what Jason's going to do now is going to turn that anti-clockwise until it stops, which is there, and now we're going to count 32 notches. So as you feel it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that should be about 32. So that's where I have them when I'm driving them, but that's personal preference. Again, that's up to you, but there you have it. That's the absolutely beautiful Forge RS valve in black, available on the website, set up and fitted to a Mitsubishi Colt CZT. Thanks guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Comment in the section below. Plenty of stuff to be winning soon. Loads of free stuff. So as long as we see you on YouTube saying hi and getting involved, then you'll be in for a chance to win stuff. Cheers.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.